The next major force for change is climate change. Particularly in Europe, governments are likely to introduce a number of regulations aimed at reversing the trends of carbon in the atmosphere. These are unlikely to have effect in the time period we are considering, and for the next 20 years we should assume that the trends continue. This chart shows that globally, methane, carbon dioxide and temperature have been increasing over the last 20,000 years. The current levels were last seen 120,000 years ago. When Professor Schnellhuber published a version of this map of the world in 2002, he showed only 5 tipping points. He sees the world as much more dangerous now, flagging tipping points, events which change the dynamics of the world climate system, such as salinity valves opening, changing ocean flows, ozone holes allowing more solar energy to reach Earth, the release of methane in large quantities from the Russian tundra as it warms up, and the burning up of the Amazon rainforest, reducing the Earth's capability to manage its atmospheric carbon. We don't know whether or when any points will be reached, and can only guess at the effect. One effect, which has been widely discussed, is the effect on northern Europe should the Gulf Stream be diverted away, leaving us with a climate like that of Greenland. One effect that is already clear is the increasing frequency of extreme weather events and their increased impact, as people have moved into areas previously less settled. The Association of British Insurers has estimated the cost of wind-related extreme weather events across Europe to increase by 5% per annum by 2080, and flooding by a factor 15.